mày giặt đồ chưa khô đi kiếm bụi, kiếm cái góc treo. Sean's doing the.
We're ready to go zip line, so everybody needs to wear a safety.
All the way over there. That's Carla. She's scared. She wants to go with somebody. Oh, Vanessa! He's gonna go with somebody. This is our second one. The first one was the beginning training. This is the second one. Three.
We're ziplining upside down!
Yay! Walking to our next one. It's my brother! Woo! And she thought she...
Pasito, pasito, Anne!
Come on, Vanessa! Come on, Sean!
You got long legs than me!
Pull! Yeah, I feel sorry.
The other guy can break because when you hit it, it's break, right? But when you fall back, there's no break.
Yay, chị Thùy! 2 hours hike. Like this. Up and down, up and down. Not too bad. Chị Thùy. Fixing to go on a 2 hours hike. We just had lunch. Machu Picchu up there. This is the reason why we cover up. See, we cover up, head to toes. Dad, everybody. Oh, 20 minutes later. I could go for a swim right now. It's so hot. I know, let's go swim, huh? An hour later, she's still going. So proud of her. We all have to carry our own backpack. 4 days worth of clothes. 2.5 hours later, we're at Machu Picchu city, where we're gonna climb tomorrow. He's taking his big backpack because he wants to train for a whole month in the jungle. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. After 3 hours, we are almost there, but not quite. Oh my God, we made it. Where's Tree? Oh, way back there. Đang còn leo dốc để đi tắm nước suối. Trời ơi, ở đây chắc là mong mẩy lắm đây. Oh yes, $7 for entrance fee, worth every penny. This is Machu Picchu city, which is very tiny.